Nvidia just dropped earnings and they did it again. Nvidia reported a revenue increase of 78% to $39 billion. Their profits nearly doubled to $22 billion. Both those numbers beat Wall Street estimates. So Nvidia is still cooking, but investors don't seem to be that pumped. In fact, the stock has barely moved after hours. I mean, to be fair, this was the fourth consecutive quarter of Nvidia's revenue growth slowing down. Their profit margins are also starting to shrink, and they're beating earnings estimates by a smaller margin every quarter. Now, don't get me wrong, the company is still crushing it. In fact, they expect to make $43 billion in revenue in this current quarter, which is higher than what Wall Street was expecting. Not to mention their Blackwell chip, which they're hyping up a lot. Jensen said the demand for these Blackwell chips has been amazing. But with the threat of additional chip export restrictions by the US government and big tech companies working on creating their own AI chips, that could have a long-term impact on Nvidia's business. So I think some of the sizzle around Nvidia and AI in general might be starting to fade a bit. I'm just surprised and happy that Nvidia's stock didn't tank after these earnings because their gaming revenue is down like 11%. Guess nobody seems to care about that anymore.